Finally, it's time for you to advertise your content using LinkedIn. First of all, you need to click the Work tab from the top right of your screen. Choose the Advertise option and you will be directed to LinkedIn's Marketing Solutions website. Click Create Ad to get started. Before you can begin, you need to specify the type of ad product you want to showcase to the users. It can be either sponsored content, text ads, or sponsored in-mail. Each of them achieve different purposes for the ads. Say, for example, you want to drive traffic to your own website. The most appropriate way to do it is to go for text ads. Selecting it will direct you to a different page where you need to fill in all the required details of your campaign. Fill in your campaign name and your preferred language. Next, you need to create your ad. First, you'd need to clarify where you'd want your prospect to go when they click your ad. If you have a website for all your created content, put it in the link. Then you need to add a catchy headline, image, and description. Remember to put a clear and direct title to your ad. Next, always add a brief description to your ad by summarizing the purpose of your content. Another thing you need to note is that you must upload an image to your ad. According to LinkedIn, most viewers are prone to click an ad that contains image rather than the opposite. So upload an image suitable to your content. On the right side of the screen, there is a preview pane. You can review and change the layout of your ad here. The options are square, tall, horizontal, and long. For this one, let's use square. Click Save if you are satisfied with how it looks. Over here, you can view your ads and re-edit them if needed. Click Next and you get to define who you want to see your ads. Say, for example, you want to feature your ads to the people residing in Beijing, China. Click the See Full List and start tracking the country's necessary information until you find Beijing in the option. Once you do, click Next to start budgeting and scheduling your ad. You can either go for cost per click, CPC, or cost per impression, CPM. I would suggest for you to use CPC, which means you only need to pay once there is a click to your ad. Now set your daily budget and bids. Then set up your campaign start date. You can choose to start your ad immediately or schedule the start date. If you are satisfied with the setup, click Next. The final step to your successful ad is for you to review your campaign details and add the necessary payment information. Click Review Order and your first ad will be published in no time. If you head to your profile, you can see the Promoted tab, which is the ad published using LinkedIn. Based on your chosen layout, this is how your ad will appear to others. You've reached the final step needed to syndicate your content using LinkedIn. Always remember to utilize all the steps laid out to you, and you will be able to increase your credibility in LinkedIn.